So now I will show you how to use our charger to charge your EV. So I will choose the CCS2 connector first and then plug it to the car. So as you can see, I have already plugged the gun and the connector has been changed to preparing. The status has been changed. So I will just simply click on the connector, and then I have already registered the RFID tag to the backend system. So I will just touch the RFID, and then it gives me 3 different options. So I will choose the charge automatically and then just wait till it starts to charge the car. The charging has been started already, and as you can see, the SoC of the car will be shown here. This is the SoC information, the charging duration, the charging voltage, the current, the power, and the power consumption, and the remaining time, the status is charging, and the connector temperature. So now I will end the charging session. So I will just tap on the connector, and then I have started the charging session with the RFID, right? So if you start by the RFID, you have to press the RFID again. If you started by the password, and then you have to write the password again. Or if you started the charging session from your application, which is from the backend system, then you end the session from the backend session. So I will swipe the RFID again, and then it stops charging. And it shows you how much the power consumption, the time, and the last SoC. Then I will tap on the back, then I will just unplug the gun, and that's how you will charge your car with the EVMS series fast charger. In case of any emergency during the charging session, you can always push the emergency switch. As you can see, the charger status has been changed to the red one, and you can see the charging has been finished. And then take out the plug and restore the emergency switch by releasing it and turning it to the right direction and release. So I have unplugged the connector from the car and put it back to the holder.